You have arrived.
Here we are. Oscar Scherer. There's our site. Nice and wide. Catching a little bit of moss. He's a pro. I guess as much as we do it, he should be. All right, let's go see if we're level. Check to see if we're level.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Any guesses?
I would say no. Say no, we're not level.
I think it's going to be pretty close.
Yeah, we're pretty level.
Today is as close as it's going to get for us for a repositioning day. I think we had about 5 hours of driving, and we stopped and got another milkshake at Robert is here and just made a day of it. Went to Walmart before we stopped in here, and now we're at our site all set up. Let me show you this beautiful site that is actually on the little creek that's here. We're just so lucky when it comes to booking these sites. They lost a lot of vegetation to Hurricane Ian just this past year. We've got shade when we want it. We have the room set up. And then back here, here's the little creek it goes by that you can paddle on. And you can see some of the damage from Hurricane Ian. Good morning, Osprey, Florida. Look at this.
What is she a
Mini golden doodle.
mini golden?
Yeah.
I knew she was a doodle of some kind. I just wasn't really.
Always tell everybody,
She,
everything humps a poodle. You have a way of putting things.
I know he does. I'm sorry about that. You know?
No.
So there's lots of great trails here at Oscar Scherer. I'm trying to figure out which one to take this morning. Nice sandy trail. Coyotes in Florida. So this trail kind of runs parallel, the first part of it. It's on the Legacy Trail. And follow the yellow arrows. So many different ways you can go. So many different ways you can get lost. But it's starting to rain. Well, I did use all trails, but I'm almost back here at the road. I can see I saw a couple cars go by. So that didn't take long. It was about 1.5 miles. By the time I get back to the campsite, it'll probably be 2 miles. And that's the morning walk. Well, I started on the yellow trail. I ended up here at the blue trail. These trails go on forever. Lots of different options to go on.
So we're here trying to find the eagles. They just did a switch, which means one of them will have to go hunting, and one of them is actually in the nest guarding the eaglets. We may see a head pop up every now and then, but that's all we'll see. Lots of folks out here with the rangers finding out more about this. And nest is way over there, and it's really cool. Oscar Scherer on Sunday mornings. They said this morning at 10 after 9, one of them popped his head up like, it's Sunday, I'm going to sleep in. We need a few things from Walmart. We're lazy. We don't want to move the van. So I don't think we're going to. It's only 4 miles to ride over there on the trail, so I think that's what we're going to do now, is ride over to Walmart. First, let's stop by Harry and Pat's and see if we can catch them at home so we can talk to them about the next ride we're going to do later today, which is, well, a long one. So, we're going to, hey Maggie.
Are you going down there?
Hey buddy. Hey sweetheart.
Going down where? We're just going to Walmart right now.
Do you think it's still going to Sarasota?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think we're going to do that today.
It's a little windy.
Are you getting her, Maggie? Give her some kisses.
You
kissing Maggie? Oh yeah, another Maggie.
I think she went my mouth.
That look was priceless.
Last Sunday fell. It's over, it's all we get. Now your eyes are feeling sad. You met someone, been telling him those lies. I stand here smaller than ever, and you just pass me by. We never found the right time. We'll never find it in a lifetime. Last Sunday fell, influenced by the strangest substance of time, just flew right by.
This hasn't been the easiest thing to do to get to Walmart. It may have just been easier to get on the Tamiami Trail and go that way. But we're trying to hug this sidewalk and make it, I think we are. I think we're going to make it. Here's a Murphy's, which means there's got to be a Walmart here somewhere close by.
We never found the right time. We'll never find it.
Okay. But are we good enough to make it worthwhile?
I think so. What do you think?
Right. Yeah, we got a bunch of stuff. We got a lot more than we
Yeah, we always
came
do.
here for. Can we get it all in the bike though? That's gonna
Yeah,
be
we
the
can
next
get it.
step. Well, we made it back, and coming back was so much easier. We knew the directions to take, and we knew that it was okay to ride on the bike path beside of that main road, and we just booked back. Are you happy to see us? We're being pig penned again. We're being pig penned. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Man, that feel good. So we're back, rested up a few minutes. We're gonna head over to see Rocky and Sue and Harry and Pat. I think we're all gonna try to get together. We were gonna go out to eat, but I'm not sure that's a wise thing to do on Super Bowl Sunday. So I think we just gotta get together, get all 6 of us in one spot, make a decision about what we're doing, and either crap or get off of John. Isn't that what they always say? John gets that on a lot, doesn't he?
I was hoping somebody had a roll of paper towel. That's what I was looking for.
So what did you got? Chicken farm? No, you got
Eggplant.
Pork chops, good. Prime rib, awesome. Salmon.
Salmon, yeah, looks great.
Oh, bon appetit, guys. This was good.
Here he
That might be
comes.
the easiest.
That is awesome, isn't it? We're back with our friends Rocky and Sue on the water again. It's going to be a wonderful afternoon.
Hey, Mag. She looks happy. She's out here. You can't get in the water, though. There are gators in the water. So this kayak launches inside of the state park. Isn't this awesome? One of the best launches we've ever used. It's flat, just goes right down into the water, didn't scratch anything, it was easy to put in. Man, wow.
Have you ever been on the water here before? Yeah. We haven't either.
So this is the Tamiami Trail that we're going under here from the park over into what's known as Osprey Lake.
It's worth it.
Guys, that was an awesome paddle.
All that kayaking wear you out, baby girl? Are you tired? Are you so tired?
So tonight we have some chicken over the grill. Got a fire going with some oak wood there. It's got some coals going on right now. We'll let that cook up a little bit, flip it over, and we'll put some barbecue sauce on it, some salt and pepper, and that's what we'll have for dinner. You know, it's been a long time since we've actually had a night that was down into the 50s or 60s. I'm not complaining. It's been really, really awesome to be out in the Keys and here in southern Florida. But tonight, it's supposed to get down into the 50s. It's already in the low 60s right now. So it's a perfect night for us to build a fire. We're going to cook a little barbecue chicken over the grill on the pop-up fire pit. And then we got some broccoli salad and some pasta to go with that. We're going to have a feast. It may not be a feast like we had last night with our friends, but we're going to have a feast. Only one thing that beats sitting around the fire at night when it's cool, and that is sitting around the fire when you have friends come over. And that's what's happening in just a little bit. We're all going to enjoy the fire pit and this really good fire we have going and sit around. Tonight's our last night here with them, so we're going to make the most of it. That should be our motto, shouldn't it? Make the most of it. We also have another motto. I could have screwed it up worse than that. Fort Wilderness.